Okay, so welcome back. So we want to solve the last try question here, and then we move on to angle of elevation. We solve two examples also under that, and then we take another topic. Okay, so let's quickly dive into the question. It says that a boy on top of a building observes a goat on the same horizontal level as the foot of the building. If the distance between the boy and the goat is 15 meters, and the angle of depression of the goat from the boy is 53 degrees. Here it said ignore the height of the boy. A. Draw a diagram to represent the information. That's the first thing. B. Find the height of the building. C. The distance between the goat and the foot of the building. Okay, so let me scroll up a little to have some space, and then we'll solve A. Okay, so A, we want to draw the or illustrate the information or the diagram. So we can say this one here, and then this one here, and then this one here. Okay, so we can say here becomes the boy. Here becomes the building, the foot of the building, and here becomes the goat, right? And we said the distance between the boy and then the goat here is 15 meters. And then here, for every angle of depression, we need the normal or the eye level. So here we have 53 degrees here, and that will alternate with this very one here. We are going to have 53 degrees here. So this is what's A. This one here is what A. This one here is A. We are done drawing the diagram. So now let's come to B. We are given sine. So here we know sine 53 is equal to the opposite. Opposite here is our what? FB all over what? All over what? Sorry. Let me clear this one. Let me clear this one here. FB all over our hypotenuse, which is our region. So here let's fix in the value. We have sine 53 degrees is giving us opposites. We don't have any value for that, and then here the hypotenuse becomes 15. So we change the values, we switch in. We have 4 on 5 is equal to FB all over 15 meters. Cross multiply, we are going to have your FB times 5 here, 4 times 15 meters, divided by 5. Now your FB, 5 going 1, 5 going to 15, 3, 12 meters, right? So we can say that the height of the building, therefore, the height of the building is what? It's 12 meters. Okay, so that is for the B. Now for the C. it says that the distance between what? The goats and the foot of the building. So for here we know, I don't know, here is what? 12 meters. So we want to use Pythagorean theory to solve for this one. So here, for that one, we know the longest side, which is what? FJ squared is equal to BJ squared is equal to FJ squared plus FB all squared. So here the longest side here becomes 15 meters all squared is equal to FJ squared plus 12 meters all squared. Here we are going to have 225 meters squared FJ plus 144 meters squared. Here 225 m squared minus 144 m squared over FJ squared. So here our FJ squared becomes 1 meter squared. Take the square root, the root of them. Take the root of them. Then here we are going to have our FJ. That's our 9 meters. So you can say that the goat is 9 meters away from the building, from the foot of the building. That's all. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.